Here is a training video on how to use the Dub webcam and the mobile app with a little whiteboard feature where you can show your hook. This is what this looks like right here. So let me share my screen, Beverly, and here we go. Okay, Beverly, can you see my screen?
I sure can.
All right, this is it right here. Now, this is created, I know because you're new to Dub. Whenever you record a video, the first 3 seconds are going to repeat as an animated preview that someone is going to see. You can technically, inside the Dub platform, use a little slider to a different part of the video if you like it different visually, if you like it different, or you can upload your own thumbnail. But this is really efficient when you know that when you hit record, if you're doing jumping jacks or whatever you're doing, that's what's going to be the beginning of the video. So this one right here is all about this hook. Now, if you're not using an AI to come up with a hook, like if you're ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini, Claude, Dub Agent within Dub AI, we talked about before, right? This is it right here. I know you kind of came in a little bit, but this is the Dub Agent. You can type in here and say, I need a hook. Give me 20 to 30, 3 to 5 word hook phrases. Describe your ICP, the folks that you're reaching out to, why you're reaching out, and it's going to give you some nice 3 to 5 word hooks. And we say 3 to 5 words because it fits nice and snug right there on the whiteboard and nice here and snug up here on an email subject line. So as far as that, you got to get your hook first. Once you have your hook, this is how you record this. So you're going to come right over here inside of the Dub Studio, which is right in here, okay? And we're going to
Okay.
click this giant red button. Can't miss it up here at the top. Create video. This is going to open up your webcam, which is going to be right here. And then to be able to use the whiteboard, you've got to get the Dub mobile app on your phone. So
Okay.
Dub app, Dubbapp. And when you find the Dub mobile app, this is what the home area is going to look like right here. And then there's a little button right up here at the top. See the little square button with the person right in the corner? Just select
Okay.
that right there, and that's going to open up the ability to type. So all you do is you type your hook. You type it, you turn it, just like that, and boom, it's going to be right here, just like this, right and simple, right here. Now, if you want to add, okay, you put the person's name, hook there, whatever you want, right? If you want to add a virtual background, if you kind of want to do a 2 for 1 deal here, you can go below and select virtual background. And maybe you take a screenshot of the ruling, right? Then you go to your photos, upload the screenshot into here. Let's just pretend that this is the ruling right here. Click that. And then boom, you got this here. And then you could say, your money, Rob, is waiting. Something like this. Do a little turn back to the, just like
Oh,
that.
nice. Yeah,
Yes.
that's sweet.
Now, if you want, now take it another step here. We got to keep adding steps, right? Have you ever
Yeah,
used the teleprompter before?
I have. Yeah, yeah.
Sweet, sweet. Well, listen, when you have a script saved in Dub, click right up in here. You can go
Okay.
right to scripting to save it, or if you already got it saved within the platform, you can choose from it here, or you can search for it by title. So when you have it here, click here, boom, drops the teleprompter down. You got your speed between 1 and 10. Always a good idea to test the speed. If you're talking too fast, you probably are. And then back it up, zoom it in. And then if you want to make any real-time changes, just click the little edit button here, make the changes. Because sometimes when you write a script and you read it out loud, sometimes you don't like the way it sounds, you can change it. But this is what the whole process would look like right here. So if I hit record, I get my 3, 2, 1 countdown, and here we go. Hi, this is Rob from Dub. We are the sales operating system. We use video, automation, and contact management to create connections, conversations, and conversions. And I can hit the pause button right down here at the bottom, stop the recording, click it again to resume and keep going. If you want to delete the video, it's the red X. I love this button because it always says, are you sure you want to do this? And then if you want to save it into the platform, just tap that little check mark right there. It's going to save it inside the Dub platform. And then you pop it into an email, you send it, and off it goes. And that's a training video on how you record a webcam video along with the Dub mobile app with the whiteboard feature to make an impact.